Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will know how to fix not enough Sol Phantom Wallet. If you are encountering the not enough Sol error in Phantom Wallet, it usually means that there isn't enough Solana or Sol in your wallet to cover the transaction fees required to complete an action, such as sending tokens or interacting with decentralized apps on the Solana network. Sol is essential for network transactions, and each action on the network requires a small fee. To resolve this issue, first, make sure you have enough Sol in your wallet. If your balance is insufficient, you can transfer Sol from an exchange or another wallet to your Phantom wallet. If you are confident that you have enough Sol, ensure your wallet is up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes cause errors. Network congestion on Solana could also lead to transaction delays or failures, so check for any ongoing issues. Additionally, if the problem persists, try disconnecting and reconnecting your wallet or restarting the Phantom app. Always double-check that you are using the correct address, as using an incorrect one can prevent the transaction from processing correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!